Alright, here's Turkey in the Straw for viola, doubling the cello part. Here's your A. Okay. And we're going to take this at quarter note equals 90. Right at the beginning, you got slightly tricky fingering. Your first note is a D, and so it would normally be right here, your first note on the C string. But you're going to use that finger to play the C sharp down here for your second note. So your second finger is going to have to play that D. So we have the D, C sharp, D. We're going to do D, C sharp, and then slide up for the first finger on the D. So it'll go like this. Again. Slide. Practice it a few times and it'll get easy. Okay, here we go. Oh, here's your A. Did I give that? Okay, here we go. Before we begin. So play the beginning, then you'll get to something that says to coda. You ignore that first time. You play all the way until you get to the end where it says DS all coda. And DS, that means go back to the sign, and then you go to the coda from the sign. So the sign is at A. So when you get to DS all coda, then we're going to go back to A, and then we'll play until we get to where it says to coda. Then we'll go to the last line where it has that bullseye looking symbol, and then coda. So that's where we go to. So again, from the beginning all the way to the DS all coda, go back to A, that's the S, then we're going to play to the coda right before C, and then from there we jump to coda at the bottom line and play to the end. Okay? 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, ready, go. We have a fermata, and back to A, and